wonderful homemaker friends. How are you today? I am Deb, and you are in the office with Deb, and I have a special treat for you today. I don't know about you, but I have I'd say a good handful of cleaning tools. And since we're doing spring cleaning and we're doing the challenge in the group, I thought I'd share with you one of my handful of tools that I absolutely love. And I've had this for years. It literally is a time saver, an energy saver. It will help save your back, prevent aches and pains. For most of us, let's put it that way, depending on your medical condition, I'm not getting into that. But I have used this tool, oh my goodness, for quite a while now. And seriously, I wouldn't be without it. And it's flexible, bendable, and you're thinking to yourself, I wonder what it is. And you're probably thinking, some of you might be guessing, well, it might be something for the ceiling fan. Well, maybe not. But what it is, it's a long handle, it's a plastic handle, and it's like, I call it a wiggly worm sometimes. It's actually a good distressor too. It wiggles, it's fun to play with. What it is a long handle under appliance duster. Now, hashtag replay and let me know, do you have one of these things? What is it great for? Oh my goodness. Some dressers that you've got to get under, you go right under it with this, under the dressers, under your with your hardwood floors or your laminate, goes under the dressers or under the bed when you want to clean the floor on the bed, underneath the bed, and you want to move whatever is under your bed and just get out the cobwebs or the dust or the pet fur. This is a lifesaver for those of you with pets, especially as far as the refrigerator is concerned. Go under there, scoop it up, take off the pet hair and toss it in the garbage. Now, this is like a microfiber rag. This comes right off, as you can see. And this goes right in the washing machine. Wash it, dry it, put it back on. I've had this one for years, and you can tell how pretty clean it is. I've been pretty lucky now, because under some of my appliances, there is greasy dirt. And sometimes I'll look at it and go, oh God, I don't even know if that's going to come clean when I look at it, when I go under, especially the washer. Because that's where everybody take off their shoes in that room, and the rain, the snow, the windy days, the leaves come in and out, all that good stuff. Yuck. The rocks that get stuck under your shoes, the salt that gets stuck under your shoes. You know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So when I go under the washing machine with this, I make sure that's my last appliance, because this is going to get filthy. And then I just wash it with my rags. And I don't even pre-treat it with this pre-stain thing either. I just put it in a wash. This is so great for getting under things, especially if you don't want to move the furniture, or you can't. You're not able to. It's too heavy. It's too big. You've got problems with arthritis or whatever. This makes life so much simpler. I would not be without this. If this broke, I would get another one right away. It's like, no. I've had this for a long time. I've been lucky. Now, it doesn't have a hook where you can hook it up in a closet or anything, but I do stand it up, and it stands up nice against the wall, so that's not an issue. But this is great. Washable, like I said. You can even do is you can use it wet, you can use it dry. You could take this off of here first before you start cleaning. Take it off. Dip this in your bucket of solution if you want, so you've got soap and water on it. Then go under your appliance. So if you want to use it wet, use it that way. And then it's not wringing wet, so it's going to dry underneath there because you got that little bit of space anyway. So it's all going to dry. So like I said, you can use it wet, you can use it dry, you can use it as a de-stressor, or when you're mad at your kids, go outside and play. Get out of my way. I need to get this cleaning done. You know how it goes. So anyway, that was my quick tip for today. And this coming Monday is going to be the last of our spring cleaning chores in the group. I think we've only got like 7 days left of the month. We're going to finish our spring cleaning. And we're going to get it all done. Thank you, my friends, for watching. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I will post the link to this in the comments so that you know what I'm talking about, this life-saving tool, and saves your back. Thank you so much. Bye.